Hey students, can you see me? Yes, of course. Now? No. Why? You will say, sir बहुत easy है. आप तो ट्रांसपेरेंट ग्लास के पीछे खड़े हो तो इजीली हम आपको देख सकते हैं. यहाँ पे जैसे ही मूव हुए आप वुड के पीछे आ गए तो हम लोग नहीं देख सकते. लेकिन कभी सोचा है ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? Why we are able to see through transparent glass and not through wood? Now there is a physics involved behind it. So let us understand. Now, if I'm going to see the glass, what happens? The particle of light called as photons, they can easily pass through this glass. Now, if glass or the material of the glass is not absorbing that photon, means the glass becomes transparent. Whereas if I'm going to talk about wood, the material of the wood is actually absorbing that photon. That is the reason it is opaque. So wood is an opaque material. Now what is opaque material? Opaque material is the material which does not allow light to pass through it, and this is a transparent material which allows light to pass through it. Now you are going to ask, what thing makes a substance opaque or a transparent? Now I said that it is not absorbing photon and this is absorbing photon. But what is the reason behind absorbing and not absorbing? Now it is the space between the shells. If I'm going to talk about this opaque material, the space between the shells is very less. That is the reason whenever photon tries to pass through it, the electrons in it absorbs the photon, hence making it opaque. Whereas if I'm going to talk about this transparent glass, how exactly it behaves? The gap between the shells or the gap between the orbits is very large. That is the reason photon can easily pass through it and electrons does not absorb the photon, making it transparent.